This is our lesson number 42 in Sapphire Kingdom Gemology YouTube channel. You can learn from this lesson also about Zircon Gemstone and the Zircon family. I will explain a lot of important things inside the lesson. You have to write down a short note to study. Then, Zircon comes in a wide variety of colors. It is one thing. Gemologically, zircon is a zirconium silicate by chemical composition with a hardness of 7.5 on the Mohs scale. This is already learned. Here you can see a rare thing. It is bicolor. When we discuss about bicolor, it means tourmaline. But this is zircon, bicolor zircon. See, all the zircons have more than one color. So that is called bicolor zircon. If you forgot to subscribe yet, please subscribe and give share to our youth to join to our gem industry and get them success. Now we are learning beautiful zircon. In this family, gemologically, zircon is a zirconium silicate. This is the chemical composition. Zirconium silicate called zircon. By chemical composition with hardness of 7.5 on the Mohs scale, it is suitable for all kinds of jewelry through protective settings are recommended for rings. And blue is the most popular zircon color. And fine blue zircon has more sparkle than any other blue stone in the gemstone field. Remember that. The blue zircon is fine. It is giving the sparkling more than any other gemstone in the world. That is the thing. This is blue zircon. The colors range from light to medium blue. Light blue to medium blue. Sometimes with a slight greenish secondary hue. Blue zircon is produced by low temperature heating. Low temperature heating can use to produce blue zircon, but only the Cambodian and Burmese zircon will turn blue when heated. Only these Cambodian and Burmese zircon turn into blue color when heated. Prices depend on color saturation, clarity, and the size. Color saturation, clarity, and the size gives the prices higher. Fine saturated blues in sizes over 10 carats are typically $300 to $400 per carat, while high quality stones in the 5 to 10 carat size sell for 200 to 300 per carat. This is the price range. Here we can see another two or three colors. The golden color known as honey zircon. This is honey zircon. Tends to be less expensive. It is less expensive, as does the red zircon from Africa. This is red color from Africa. This honey color is lower priced than the red color from Africa. Red zircon typically ranges in price 75 to 125 per carat, red zircon, while the honey zircon goes to 50 to $100 per carat. Exceptional colors are or very large sizes will be more priced. White zircon, it is here. Look at the white zircon. Once sold as a diamond substitute in the days before synthetics like moissanite comes. Before the moissanite synthetics come to the market, white zircon sold as diamond simulant is still quite inexpensive. At about $35 to $50 per carat, it is white color one. It is one of the most brilliant of colorless gemstones. If we think about the colorless gemstones in gem world, the white zircon is the most brilliant stone. Remember that. Here it is green one, green circle. Look at the green circle. You can see the two colors. One is olive green, one is dark green. So green circles are exceptionally rare because they form as the result of natural radiation. Green circle forms as a result of natural radiation in a process known as metamictization. Metamictization is the name of the process. With this process, radiation circle converts to green over long periods of geological time. Radiation produces changes in the crystal lattice of the circle. This radiation, natural radiation, changes the crystal lattice of the circle so that these metamict circles are amorphous rather than crystalline. You know the words amorphous and the crystalline we discussed earlier, while still maintaining the characteristic circle fire. These rare specimens are coveted by collectors. Fine, clean specimens in pure green sell for prices around $250 to $300 per carat, while olive green circles are typically less price. So remember the color, olive green is lower priced, the dark green is becoming this range. Natural zircon is in limited supply and can usually be found only from specialized gem dealers. You are unlucky. You are unlikely to find it in retail jewelry stores because green zircon is little bit rare, natural green zircon. The blue circles come mainly from Cambodia, occasionally from Burma. Blue circles. We discussed earlier also. Cambodia and Burma circles can heat to produce blue circle. The honey circles come from Cambodia and Tanzania, while the reds are mainly from Tanzania, red circle. The rare green have been found in Sri Lanka and Tanzania. This rare green is very important. This is the color. We can proudly tell in our country, we are the best quality green zircon producer in the world. So this is the color. So remember this color. That is the Sri Lankan green zircon color. So we can find this color only from Sri Lanka. Look at the rough stones here. Yellow zircon from Rakwana, Sri Lanka. The city of Rakwana is Sri Lankan city. Yellow zircon. Here 2.55 and 350 carats rough stones. This is the green color here. See, this is Ratnapura green circle rough one. Look at this 51 carats and this stone. Look at this transparent untreated circle from Sri Lanka. These are the colors we can find. So this is the color we have to find in natural. It gives $250 to $300 price per carat. If it is more than 10 carats, it is very special price there. This is bicolor circle. Look at the two colors here, bicolor circle, and here we are explaining the colors we can available in Zircon family. These are the colors. These are the rough stones found in Sri Lanka. So look at this, oily, and all are pebbles. You know how pebbles are created. These are pebbles. This is a crystal. This also crystal growth in the mother stone. So all are circle rough stones. Crystal shapes, This crystal shape is damaging by the radiation and creates the green color one. After that damage, the radiation recover the damage, so it creates green color. So green zircon is very nice and very good. Here we are learning special thing. Zircon, zirconium, zirconia, and cubic zircon. CZ means cubic zircon or cubic zirconia. You have to understand the differences between these names. It is very important. I saw a lot of people, they don't know what are they. What are these? So zircon, zirconium, zirconia, and cubic zircon. There is much public confusion between four materials discussed here. What are those four? Zircon, zirconium, zirconia, and cubic zirconia. Summary definitions of these terms are provided below. Zircon is naturally occurring mineral with a chemical composition of ZrSiO4. Zr is zirconium element. Si means silicon element. O means oxygen element. So there are four oxygen atoms connected to silicon and zirconium 2 atoms. Altogether 6 atoms creates ZrSiO4, that is zirconium silicate. That is called zircon. Remember the first name. It is a mineral occurring naturally with the radiation also. Zirconium, the second name. Zirconium is a silvery white metal. Remember, it is a metal, silvery white metal. It is a metal. The symbol is Zr. It's an element. So zirconium is a silvery white metal and a chemical element. It has an atomic number of 40 and an atomic symbol of Zr. Now you know the difference between zircon and zirconium. It is an element. Zirconia, the third one. Zirconia is the white crystalline oxide of zirconium. This zirconium Zr reacts with the oxygen and creates ZrO2, zirconium oxide. So it is crystalline. That is the zirconium oxide. Another name for this zirconium oxide is zirconia. A naturally occurring zirconia is naturally occurring but rare form of CrO2, zirconium oxide, is the mineral badellite. Cubic zirconia is the last one. Cubic zirconia is a synthetic gemstone, not a natural gemstone. Cubic zirconia is synthetic one, lab created one, with an appearance that is very similar to diamond. So cubic zirconia is a synthetic one, that means lab created one, that means man-made one to replace the diamond. It looks like a diamond, but it is very, very cheap one, not a gemstone. It sells for a tiny fraction of the cost of diamond and has historically been the most commonly used diamond simulant. It is the diamond simulant. In this country also, our country, all the jewelers are selling cubic zirconia as CZ. It is the diamond simulant. They are charging, they are giving the prices, they are selling this with very close diamond prices. You can find cubic zirconia in any color, not only the white. So all the color stones in jewelry, small jewelry in Sri Lanka, cheap jewelry, they are using cubic zirconia. All of these materials are related. Zirconium, zirconia are cubic, and cubic zirconia are all produced from industrial grade zircon. There are jewelry grade zircon and industrial grade zircon. So industrial grade zircon uses to produce those things. Now you can see the colors. Cubic zirconia, diamond simulant. This is the genuine diamond. This is another diamond simulant called moissanite. The moissanite is lab-grown man-made one. And the cubic zirconia is also lab-grown man-made one. Diamond is naturally occurred. So cubic zirconia and the moissanite both are diamond simulants. See the sparkle. This is diamond. This is moissanite. So if you need to test the diamond, you have to avoid the diamond tester. You have to buy the moissanite tester. Moissanite tester can separate the diamond and the moissanite clearly. If you use diamond tester, it gives positive sign for the diamond and positive sign for the moissanite. So you will buy moissanite after paying the diamond price, but it is man-made, lab-grown, synthetic one. So remember those. I have given those ideas and everything in my diamond lessons. You can remember it. If you forgot to subscribe yet, please subscribe. Sometimes so many people are not subscribing, but this is using those. So you have to subscribe only one time. Please subscribe it. Join us, learn and enrich your future with us. We will meet with Suicide Family. Now the circle is finished. Next family is Suicide. The name is Suicide. So it is lesson number 43. I have to stop recording.